Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today. And the one dynamic here that a lot of people are going to be watching about, so I don't want my kind of disclosure up front. I don't want any of this to come across like, oh, nobody else has noticed this and this is some sort of great discovery on my part. No, I assure you, anybody that uses charts and understands charts has taken notice of this event and is going to be wondering the same thing. But the event revolves around the fact that the price has now gotten back up above that purple line there, which if you've watched my past videos, you hopefully remember me talking about as being a key area of resistance. So the point here being that after that final 30 minutes of the day, the price is now up above that level, which that is the situation which brings about the question of, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is a bigger breakout going to occur? And nothing tells the future, so I have no idea if that's the start of something bigger, but is it at least logical to think that? Is it at least a rational thing to be, throwing out there? Now, yeah, absolutely. Case in point, if the price was still down here at 0.018, people were like, oh, look, there's a breakout of the 50 period. You would totally be justified to say, what are you talking about? That's a lie. The price has not broken above the 50 period, so why would you be wondering about a breakout of here? But at this point, does that mean that this is going to be the start of something bigger? No, but at least that first step has been taken. The step being getting up above that purple line. So as of right now, that level's been broken, but that's also now why 0.023 is a very important level. Because if you just stop and think about it, if the price were to break below 0.023 and go back down here, well, what would that be doing? Well, that would be putting the price right back below that purple line, which would then be telling us, well, I guess this wasn't a true breakout. Because if it's a true breakout, well, it's going to keep on breaking out, right? Or in other words, the price is going to get separation to the upside. Again, that doesn't mean that it's got to be up at 3 cents on Friday or anything like that. It simply means that the price has to start to maintain itself. So, theoretically speaking, the price would come up here, pull back to 0.023, go sideways, and then work its way back upwards. And at that point, well, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have some lows that are getting higher and higher. The idea right now going into Friday and the next week is let's just see if the price can stay above 0.023, because as long as it's above 0.023, that implies that this current breakout is still underway, and that's what you want to see from the bullish perspective. So yeah, a breakout has happened. Now it transitions to the question of, is this breakout going to get continuation? Is this breakout going to, make progress forward? First step in making that progress is staying above 0.023, so let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.